Welcome to EDU World Space.
So here we have a plane, and the plane wants to move due west. However, there is a wind that is blowing 80 kilometers per hour to the south. So we want to know which way the plane can fly and how fast the plane can fly to still go in the westward direction. So if we look at the plane, in order for the plane to go west but cancel out the wind going south, he must be going upwards at a diagonal like this. And then we can easily just connect these two and we see that's a right triangle. So we want to know the direction. So it'll be easy to figure out this theta. But what we want to know is we want to know it from the horizontal. So we just put a dotted line here. We actually want this theta. So theta 1 is going to be given by the cosine, or the inverse cosine, of opposite, or adjacent, over hypotenuse. And our hypotenuse is 320 kilometers per hour. So 320. But then before we do that, we have to do 90 degrees minus that, because we're actually looking for this theta 2. So this is what theta 2 would equal, while this over here is theta 1. And doing all that, we come out to 14 degrees. I'll write it down here. It will be 14 degrees north of west. Because it's north above the horizontal. So next we want to find the plane speed, and we can do this a number of ways. Now we have the angle, but we can just use Pythagorean theorem. So again, we have 80. Here we have 320. And what we want to do is we want to find this red line right here. How much he's actually going. And so, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we're going to do 320 squared minus 80 squared is equal to, we're going to label this velocity. So velocity squared. And then solving for velocity, we come out to 310 kilometers per hour.